Hey, what's up? What's up, gang? Welcome to the Kini Vlogs. Today, I have come to Bannerghatta Zoo. As you can see, there's a deer right behind me, and today I am accompanied by the one and only Tejas.
Hello.
Hey, what's up? How are you, Tejas?
I'm good.
What's up? What's up? So, why did you decide zoo?
I don't know, maybe for change.
Yeah, zoo is actually nice, like dumb animals doing dumb things, and even wild animals doing dumb things, doing like silly things. It's very calming to watch how wild animals react to their environment and all. So yeah, let's just jump right into our favorite animal. Not that deer, yeah, but So yeah, Tejas, when is zoo safari?
2:30.
Yeah, so at 2:30 we'll be going to the zoo safari, and we'll be watching the wild animals right sitting, sleeping next to our safari bus. So yeah, till then we are just chilling out here, looking at the caged animals. And I think next animal would be, I think, hippo, from what I remember from my memory. So yeah. So yeah, guys, we are going to see the hippo now. Hippopotamus. Let's go. Oh my god. OMG. Look at those eyes. And oh, look. ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು. ಒಳ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಶೈ. It's so stinky, I hate it. You were saying something? Front camera, the quality is better in back camera. Everyone knows it. So yeah, I was saying as elephants are like most OP, overpowered, strong. I think elephant are the animal care, the S tier. Isn't it? And I think my other favorite animals are like peacock, tiger, and I think crocodile's eyes are very pretty, and I don't remember any other animals which are like. Which is your favorite animal? Think. Also, guys, comment down below. Which is your favorite animal? Yeah. Give him time, please. It's okay. By that time you can watch this until Tejas decides. Tejas, did you decide? Okay, which is your spirit animal? I would say my spirit animal is probably elephant. You will find out.
देखो देखो हाथी काम कमाएंगे हाँ देखो से यार तो नहीं हाँ देखो यार जहाँ से ज़्यादा गाड़ी नहीं काटनी दिन नाम तो नहीं घाट को काटनी
So yeah, this. What did you decide?
I think
Huh?
I didn't decide. Let's explore some more animals. Maybe I can decide.
Let's explore, guys. What's that? Oh. You know what's a group of deer called?
Herd?
Yeah.
That's herd.
Yeah, I think so. Guys, comment down below. Comment. Also, controversial opinion. Bannerghatta Bangalore Zoo is much better than Mysore Zoo. Mysore Zoo is wide, big and all. But why would you keep a zoo in like very near to the city? Like, I don't get it. I'm seeing animals and I'm listening to like traffic sound. It's bullshit. And I can't be very close or near to the lion. There is no safari. I don't like Mysore Zoo. The only thing Mysore Zoo is good at is it has gorilla. That's it. Gorilla is also good spirit animal. Yeah. Strip dino. There and there. Let's go.
Just read a strip dino.
Strip dino. Strip. Indian. Raven Air. While entering, so as I was saying, while entering, we had to give all our plastic things away, chips and everything, and yeah, we can sit there. We had to give our chips, biscuits. We didn't bring any biscuits, right? Only chips, and yeah, other stuff. And we had to milkshake.
Fill it up in the water bottle.
We filled it in the water bottle. So this is the combination of all the things we had in the plastic bag. 2 a.m. and some choco and another flavor of 2 a.m. Yeah, nice combination. Saving plastic, yeah, using paper bag. Guys, yeah, next is Ariel. It's like a alligator crocodile. Look at this, look at the scales. Look at this dude. The animal keeper Mallikarjuna. Cute. Paint up. Huh?
Naturally, yes.
Vibrant colors.
Still on.
Paint ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಯಾವ What is he talking about? What the hell is he talking about?
Doesn't look natural.
That's why it's the most aesthetic word. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ crazy acrobatics, huh? Hey. 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 ನಾವೇನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ. ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಕ್ರೋಬ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ರೇಜಿ. ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬೋರೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಇದ್ರೇನು.
इंडियन जायंट
You can watch this all day. Really monkey.
ಒಂಥರ ವೇ ಔಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Hey. Crazy. Indian Cobra. Solo. That's what she said. Reptile family. Chill ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ. OMG. What the hell? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. So big. That's what she said. Oh my god. Really? Oh. Iguana. Guys, see these things.
They can change color. And Rohan
See.
thinks
See, not Rowan thing, it's a fact. Chameleon is the one which changes color.
I think it belongs to the same chameleon family.
Reptile family. I don't know what is he talking about. Iguana, I don't think they change colors. Guys, comment down below.
Or
You
do
think?
research.
Yeah, just Google it. You know, let me know. Let me know in the comments whether do iguana do change colors or this they just talking bullshit. Or am I wrong? Yeah. Let me know, guys. Comment down below. Also, bell. Hit the bell notification. Subscribe if you have watched and still not subscribed yet.
Also, do you want to give a shout out?
Sure. Guys, his channel name.
The 61st show on Twitch.
Oh,
We'll leave a
61st.
link in the description.
Description. Sure.
Not sure actually.
Sure. Any other shout out? Yeah, we're just watching the iguana, you know. Like the chill guy, being chill all together. It's a chill vibe. Now in another half an hour, we're going to the safari. So, reach there early and yeah. ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So yeah, so we are like rushing towards safari now. Yeah, too late. Yeah, actually I just had a call just 5 minutes back with Tanvi Kamal, and I asked her like, what's your favorite animal? She said me. I asked her favorite animal, not the favorite human. Like, couldn't get it right. Hey, yes, something. Hey, monkey. Calisthenic expert. So guys, we need to rush towards the exit. Safari. Birds are pretty. We'll come back here after the safari. After our safari ride. So yeah, we'll see you in the safari. Bye. Tejas, do you have anything else to add up? No. How excited are you for the safari? Tejas,
It's only for
actually,
like half an hour. That's nothing.
half an hour will be worth it. See, Tejas never sat in the window seat, so it will be a dream come true moment for him. So finally we'll be getting a window seat.
Hopefully.
Hopefully we'll get. I think it's like a 2-seater thing in the safari bus, from what I remember. So we can easily get a window seat. What if I take the window seat?
15 minutes.
Sure. So let's rush.
You would have noticed rich green touch on the tree bark rock. These are symbiotic relationship of algae and fungi.
You're doing this with
Resident 2
No. Crazy.
enrolled in the Abjali National Park, India, creating a combination and interesting wildlife. ನಾವು ಆನೆಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ ಸಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇವೆ.
ಬಾ.
So yeah, we just finished the safari ride. How was it?
I have no idea. I was feeling sleepy the whole time.
When I saw tiger and lion, अंदर का lion जाग उठा. And tiger, I was expecting it would like at least come near our bus or like chill near our bus, but tiger was like searching for something. I didn't take the video, you can't see that. I've taken the photos though. So yeah, let's go in the zoo. Back to the zoo again. And, so yeah guys. So yeah, tiger was pretty vibrant. It was nice. Lion were like all sleepy. He was yawning there. I couldn't hear any lion sound, right? During the safari. Wanted like the share to like roar. And yeah, I think back to zebra. Hey, zebra, hey. Hey. Zebra.
So if you buy ticket one time, you can use it for the whole day.
Yeah. So if you want a guide to our Bannerghatta Zoo, tell how we booked the tickets and what was our plan.
See, our plan was to come to the zoo first in the morning, leave at 5, and then later we were supposed to go out. And now this guy has plans.
Hey, see, yeah. I'm asking you about the plans about how we booked the ticket. See, we are giving a beginner guide of how to come to the Bannerghatta Zoo. The most optimized way, you know.
I don't know what website you did.
I did the booking, right? So yeah. So basically you need to go to the website. There are like many options. Safari, non-AC, blah blah blah. Take the non-AC and zoo. Don't take the butterfly park. No one takes the butterfly park. Like, what else? Yeah, zoo opens at 9:30. So I feel it's better if we come at like 9:30 or 10 o'clock. We arrived at 10:30, right? 11 now. Yeah, we arrived at
3:30. No,
3:30. So we have another half an hour, 1.5 hours.
I think we'll be leaving.
Yeah.
Because we already saw everything.
No, there's still there. There's, I think there's some snakes which I know. There's like big, thick anaconda snakes. We'll check out those, and there's some other animals. I think there's some crazy monkeys out there. Hey, look at that! Look at this dude! Look at this dude! Look at him! Hold this. One of the crazy monkeys. Crazy monkey, hello? So yeah, that's about it. That's a wrap for today's zoo trip, zoo safari, everything. We'll head back home.
It was a nice day, by the way. Nice, chill, peaceful. Also, it was a long day. We had to like walk.
Yeah, my steps would have been more than 10k, 11k for sure. And yeah, the animals were chill. They passed the vibe check. Some animals were like very sleepy. Understandable. It's like very cozy with the cozy environment they have. And
Can't complain. Even I was sleepy.
yeah. So yeah, that's about it. We'll wrap this up. So
You know what to do. Like, share,
and subscribe. And see you in the next vlog.
Peace out and bye.
Bye bye.